Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a domain for your Canva website. Having a custom domain is crucial for establishing a professional online presence and making your brand easily recognizable. While Canva offers free subdomains, a personalized domain name truly elevates your site. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to either connect an existing domain or acquire a brand new one, ensuring your Canva website stands out with its own unique address. When it comes to securing a domain for your Canva website, you essentially have two straightforward paths. First, you can conveniently purchase a brand new domain directly within the Canva platform, thanks to its seamless integration with a trusted domain provider. Second, if you already own a domain name from another registrar, you can easily connect it to your Canva site. Remember, a Canva Pro subscription is essential for both options to publish your website with a custom domain. Purchasing a new domain through Canva is a very simple process. First, after designing your website, head to the Publish Website option in your Canva editor. From there, you will see an option to buy a new domain. You can then search for your desired domain name to check its availability. Once you find the perfect one, follow the prompts to complete the purchase securely through Canva's integrated domain service, typically powered by Namecheap. If you already possess a domain name, connecting it to your Canva website is also straightforward. When you go to publish your site, select the Use My Existing Domain option. Canva will then provide you with specific DNS records, including CNAME and a records, that you will need to update at your current domain registrar. This step tells your domain where to find your Canva website. Allow up to 24 hours for these changes to fully propagate across the internet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.